Hey, beautiful Capricorns. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's go straight to your messages. This could be to do with your love life or your career. Let's see what's going on here. Capricorn, please and thank you. Ooh, getting answers. You will resolve your current situation soon. Work-wise, you find unique ways to stand out. You find a new opening with job security. This could be success. The path you're on will bring you success and prosperity if you just keep going. Lots of little steps take you a long way. You're on track. You got the key here. So it's saying you need to have more flexibility with your schedule and your income. It may be being self-employed is ideal. Time off will help you get clear. You're on the right path. This is good luck. Your fortune is improving and you will get a lucky break soon. Collect nuggets of wisdom. You will need them for the future. And it's getting a different perspective. If you change the way that you're looking at things, you could see everything in a brand new light that will help you get you where you want to be. You will resolve your current situation. So let's pick on some more of these finances for you. You could be looking for something new. You've got the key. Things are being unlocked for you. Whatever was locked is now opened. You've opened the floodgates of abundance without limitations. And if you receive a block, it's telling you that you are steering off track. So if you get a blockage, that's good to know. So if you get a blockage, it's because you were steering off track. So this could be to do with sports. Collaborating or work as a team to boost your finances. You could be a coach, athletic trainer, athlete, or anything to do with the sports industry. Or have more fun and build new connections to grow your career. So this could be emotions. Focus on your love life instead of work. Careful not to allow work interfere with love or the other way around. Your emotions are getting the better of you and it could be affecting your career. So it's either too much focus on love or too much focus on work. It could be that you're a workaholic. Having strong work ethics and giving it 100% of your time. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Unmotivated and using laziness as a way of sabotaging yourself. So you could be overdoing it. You could be overworking. Instead of using your talents, which isn't hard work. It's like working smarter, not harder. So let's go. Things are being unlocked for you. You've got the key to unlock whatever this is. You've opened the floodgates. So it could be to do with the partnership. You're manifesting a strong and successful partnership. Consider having a partner who can bring the expertise that you may be lacking. Some of your relationships may be holding you back from success, so take it as it resonates to you. Now, either someone is focusing too much on love and not on work, or too much on work and not on love. And it could be that your partnerships could be holding you back. So let's get into your love messages and see what's going on, Capricorn. Neither one is budging. Someone is feeling undervalued. There can be a reconciliation here. Your energy is all around somebody. So maybe... Oh, geez. First card out is Twin Flame. Oh. There's marriage in your future, or somebody's wanting to undo some kind of damage here. You've opened the floodgates to some sort of abundance. Someone feels like they're running up against time. So there could be a separation. You could be cutting ties or leaving before it gets worse, or cutting your losses. Moving in silence. It could be a friendship. I don't know. Somebody could be being emotionally manipulative, wanting your attention. I don't know. Is this a love bomber? There's lessons here. Let's get into the tarot and see what this is about, Capricorn. Capricorn, knowing your worth, knowing your value. It's like this could be choices and decisions. Somebody is definitely spying on you and is seeing you very successful here. You've removed some blockages. Things are being unlocked here that were previously closed to you. Now, I don't know what this is. You're taking a leadership role. You're building a solid foundation, and there's some kind of offer coming in here, or an apology. Somebody could be like hurt, I don't know, over this ending. Something shocking. Maybe somebody was hiding their feelings. I don't know. What's going on here? Ooh, getting your balance back. Something to do with a friendship. Somebody wanting to make amends, wanting to be friends. Or maybe somebody friend zoned you. I don't know. It's like things that were previously blocked to you are now open. You've opened the floodgates for something. Something really joyous. Something makes you really happy. You've had to make a decision, and somebody's angry about this decision. You could have made the decision to cut ties and move on. And you've hit pay dirt here, or you are about to hit pay dirt here. Someone is in love here. This is a final decision. Someone's made a final decision. Whoa. Somebody could be moving, or you're moving on, or you're taking your power back. Someone's scared you're not going to trust them, or that they've changed, or something like this. This is timing. This is also about moving in silence. So it's like you're keeping your cards close to your chest. You're not saying everything. It's like you're moving in silence here. Something planning to end something, or you could be, Jesus, there's been some kind of blockage. This is twin flame. Is someone jealous of your blessings, of your marriage, of your commitment, or your job? It's like you're opening the floodgates here to unlimited success. You're on the path to wealth. You're on the path to success. And Spirit will put up a roadblock if you're going too far off your path. So you don't need to worry. Like Spirit will block something if it's not meant for you. Love lessons learned. A shift in perspective. The way you're seeing something, or the way someone is seeing something. Somebody could be like in a victim mentality, or is like, I don't know, this is manifesting happiness. It's about giving and receiving. Maybe somebody wants to return and tell you the truth about something. There's some kind of phone call. And it could be from a friend. What's this? Holding on to some baggage. This is a King of Wands. What's this? Regretting something, crying over spilt milk. Because you're like manifesting wealth. You could be manifesting a new relationship. You could be manifesting great wealth here. You are. I'm just saying. You're on the path to success. It's like the floodgates have been opened for you. I don't know. What's going on? Holy God. 9 and 10 of Swords. It's like What the hell is this all about? Why are you here? Well, somebody you might be turning down. It's like it looks like you had to put up boundaries. Somebody was undervaluing you. Maybe somebody involved the third party and ghosted you. But the angels are helping. You're getting some sort of breakthrough. You're getting a sincere offer of love from somebody. So it's like you might, somebody has got to make a decision, bring balance back into a situation. Somebody could be a workaholic. Somebody could be working too hard and neglecting their love life, or vice versa. Or it is the company that someone is keeping that could be holding you back from getting something. You know, I don't know if this is a person, a third party, place, or thing. I don't know. It's like someone is either, like I said, and it keeps being repeated here, someone is either a workaholic, giving it 110% of their energy to whatever they're manifesting, and could be neglecting their home life or their relationship, or someone is focused too much on love and not enough on getting down to business here. But I'm pretty sure you're getting down to business here. Hmm. Someone could be avoiding a bunch of emotional burdens. There could be some kind of children involved here. Someone feels undervalued and feels like someone has been stringing them along, and this is divine intervention. Somebody could have prayed for divine intervention. What's going on here? Because nobody's budging. Someone, it's like there's no compromise. And somebody could be feeling foolish here. Foolish choices, not serious, playing games. Someone is being very foolish here. They could have involved a third party. Mm. Somebody's wearing a poker face. Somebody's being two-faced here, hiding their true feelings. They're undervaluing someone. Someone feels undervalued. You're going to get a sincere offer of love here from someone. It's looking like someone new. Watch those two-faced friends here, because there could be friends who've been two-faced. Moving in secret. I think you're cutting somebody out here, Capricorn. Or somebody needs to be cut out. You could be having clashes with the boss. And it's like getting a different perspective of something is going to change everything. Things that have priorly been closed off to you are opening. And you're being told to lead. It says to read books on finance to expand your knowledge. Or going to school to expand a skill set. Or working for a school district. Working with a mentor to learn new skills or help you achieve your goals. There's a change for the better coming your way. And just because you don't see it doesn't mean nothing is happening. And you could be resisting change, is what's blocking the good things the universe wants to give you. So take that as it resonates to your situation. The key here to unlocking something you're going to have a happy ending. I do know that. Why is someone feeling so resentful? Because the keys here to abundance are limitless. Someone's got to change the way that they're viewing something. Somebody's really resentful that the floodgates are opening up here for somebody, and they got to change their perspective of it. Don't envy other people doing well. Like, they are creating their own blockages by doing that. I think you've got a jealous person around you who is very envious of your success. And if it's you who is envious that somebody else is successful, that is what's creating the blockage. So take it only as it resonates to you, but I know many Capricorns are doing really, really well, but it's it's making getting a balance between home life and work life, your love life and your work life. Once you get that into balance, there's nothing stopping you. Take care.